Well, this is gonna be very interesting. This truck spun out and hit her, and then it knocked her into the ditch.
Yeah, he was already in the ditch. Those people let her into their house and stay warm.
Yeah, there's really nice people out here. Look at this. I don't even think we scratched it, Bo. That's what I do. We bent the license plate a little bit, that's about it. That's where it was, all the way down there. So that's nice, there's no damage. You driving it away, you're gonna drive it right up on his bed. Not even an alignment was messed up or a scratch on it. You just gotta bust it out sometimes. So we got another one. Looks like they flew right through here, down there, into its final resting spot over there. So I'm gonna have to see how I'm gonna get this one. I'll probably get this one just from another straight pull. And maybe just pull it up the hill here backwards. And I think that's gonna be the best way. So I'll just get into position and get it on the tow truck. And it's a good thing I just got my remote winch and that new 75-foot line. So go ahead and get her ripped up this hill. So my goal is just to seamlessly pull this straight up into the bed of my truck. And I promise you, it always sounds a lot easier than it really is. All right, so I'm all the way back here. It's about 60 feet. So I'm almost out of line at 75-foot line. So there we go, starting to go. I can technically sit on the trunk of this Chrysler and winch myself out, just saying. I may or may not do that. So instead of running back and forth a whole bunch, I'm just gonna winch myself up. Now I can just hold the steering wheel since I got this remote and winch myself up. Okay. Slowly but surely she's going. Almost there. For some reason this is kind of messing with that front end's torn up pretty bad from that impact from the curb. That must have been a wild ride. There she goes. put a couple boards down here so she don't smack as hard as she needs to. I guess it's not that bad when you got a rollback and the best equipment.